Hi guys, how are you? So today I decided to take work elsewhere other than home. So I'm going to work from this place called Cafe Gourmand. It's like amazing. So I'll take you to it and I'll show you a few things. So that maybe if you're not here, if you've never checked it out and you're in Burundi, you should check it out because it's amazing. They have like the best ice cream. So I decided to kill 3 birds with 1 stone. So one is me doing sports out of this whole thing. Another one is getting to work from a nice place with free internet, handsome chefs, and to also take you around because I also think about you. I love you. So this is what I'm wearing. I like to be very comfortable. So I'm leaving the house now, all ready to go, all packed. You see? So I'm going to put on my shoes. You see my glasses are already here. Did I tell you I was hooked to like these sweets, these lollipops? It's called Big Daddy, passion flavor. Big. So I'm almost in town, guys. I'm almost making it. So the first reason for me to come here was to do some sports, which I'm doing, and I'm almost there. So that's bravo for me. And it's really hot in here. It's hot up in here. So yeah, that's the Nigerian embassy. It's in Kabando for those ones who are in Burundi. Oh, and that's someone's house. It's not a hotel. These guys live big.
On s'est rencontrés, j'avais pas levé, j'avais tous les mecs sur le bas côté.
Guys, I'm in town. Town. So if you see the barriers, they're there for security. They've been there for some time, since 2015 when they tried to, you know what happened. That's the basketball court. You can't see it very well. And now I'm going on the main road. This is town. Not so busy. People are working and I'm not, and it's a good thing. This is the main branch of EcoBank. It's like
put some other things also to make them fat. Maybe put
nuts.
Yeah, it is too bad.
If you don't mind, let me.
Go ahead.
Okay. I hope you like it. I don't think there's enough.
You mean mayonnaise put there? Yeah, it's lovely.
Guys, I'm already here. I'm done with food. Amazing food, by the way. That was fish fillet. And so I found a guy here who offered to pay my bill. That was like amazing. It's not that I didn't have the money, but it was really good. I think we kind of clicked. So I needed to stay here working because the time he was here we only kind of talked and ate. So now I just wanted to work because that's one of the things that brought me here. And to do that, since I'm done with eating, I had to order something, you know, so that I can stay here using the internet and space. So I had to order an espresso. I ordered an espresso. The taste is not really what I was going for. It's so short. I don't know how you guys do it. I ended up coming to Tropicana because I needed to eat, and I needed to eat fish, and this is the only place I eat that. So I had to come here, and then maybe we will go to Cafe Gourmand for the ice cream, which is dessert. So for now, I'm still really forcing myself to drink the espresso. Don't like the taste. I don't know how you guys do it. I don't know why I ordered for that. I just needed to challenge myself. But I couldn't take it alone, so I have to take with water. Because my mouth, my tongue has already started changing color. Alright guys, let me do some work and then we'll get back to you. I'll just...
Medication, your medication makes me high. Just be patient. I'm like a patient trying to find levitation.
Guys, I came to look for my hats, the Rasta hats. I need it for my hair. Since it's Rasta. Which one? Rasta.
Unless it a bubble like where they are right down. The way you something off it off it way by pound. In a fields of marijuana, that is my playground. I love you, Mary Jane. You're the prettiest of flowers, girl, me can't complain. When I'm with you, I feel so high, I rise above the rain. And you know the people damage like that bitch cocaine. No, I leave them lonely, feeling only pain. Cause your DNA is of the highest strain. You're affected.
So we're almost here. This is the roundabout. It's not the main one. So this is Cafe Gourmand. We'll end and I show you. This is Cafe Gourmand. I told you they had like the best ice cream.
It's a dance festival. Everybody wants she vibe. Must have bit them better. Wait, now she want that. Baby, twala nune ku ice cream. Olina nuda kulia ku ice cream. Twala nune ku ice cream.
So I just got my balance. Its scoop here is 4,200, and I got 2 scoops, so that's 8,000 something. So this is my balance. This is 100 francs. This is 500. That is 1,000. Oman is not the best, but it has some value at least. So this is my ice cream. This guy is amazing. That's it.
It's a dance party vibe. Everybody wants your body. Must have bit them better. Wait, now she want love. Baby, twala nune ku ice cream. Olina nuda kulia ku ice cream. Twala nune ku ice cream. Feel like more ice cream. Baby, twala nune ku ice cream. Olina nuda kulia ku ice cream. Twala nune ku ice cream.
Got vanilla and strawberry. Oh Lord, that is cold.
Twala ku ice cream. Rachidi mvoga mu party. Go on chaka sobashi. Eta want twala ku ice cream. Kati don't twala alwache. Go on chaka sobashi. Jagala ice cream. Baby twala nune ku ice cream. Olina nuda kulia ku ice cream. Twala nune ku ice cream. Feel like more ice cream. Baby twala nune ku ice cream. Olina nuda kulia ku ice cream. Twala nune ku ice cream. Feel like more ice cream. Shiba mo manyize chende chende.
So I promised to take you here. And this is the rooftop. Amazing, right? Rooftop of Cafe Gourmand. And it looks like that. It's amazing. Right now there are no people because I think of the sun or corona. Take a pic anyway. Why not? Hi guys, so now it's safe for me to go home. I've taken you everywhere. I've brought you to where I promised I would. See you.
Atalina njagala oxygen. Nebongulira Lamborghini. No. Nebonzimbira flat. No.